Anime is a fun and exciting type of animation that comes from Japan. There are many kind of different anime, so there's something for everybody. So here are some of the best animes to watch. Number one, My Hero Academia. This anime is about a world where most people have superpowers called quirks. It's followed by a boy named Izuku Midoriya. Hope I'm saying that right. Who dreams of becoming a hero even though he was born without powers. Number two, the best that I've researched that everybody's talking about is Pokemon. This classic series follows as Ash Ketchum as he travels to become a Pokémon Master. He catches and trains Pokemon while making friends and battling other trainers. Number three, it's called One Piece. It's an adventure story about a group of pirates led by Monkey D. Luffy, who is searching for the ultimate treasure called One Piece. The characters are funny and brave. Their adventures are thrilling. Number four, Attack on Titan. I've actually seen this. Very good. This anime is more intense and follows humanity's fight against giants, giant creatures called Titans. It has action and mystery, perfect for older kids. Number five is called Spirited Away. This is a beautiful movie about a girl who gets trapped in a magical world. It's full of amazing creatures and teachers' lessons, and it's about bravery, friendship, and these are just a few great animes to enjoy as the top five worldwide. Go ahead, good more, good.